In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you have to sign into your account, and after you do that, here on the right hand side, you'll see it says social. Click on that and it's going to open up a social trading panel, and then in here you can see the volume, you can see the deals, you can see the people doing it, etc. And then here this is kind of a leaderboard where you can see different people you can actually copy trade. So let's say, for example, you want to copy trade this person, you can just click on them and it's going to basically pop up on your chart, so you can just click on whatever you want. It's going to switch to whatever they're trading here, and then you'll be able to see whenever they buy and whenever they sell, and you can basically just replicate that by going to sell or buy down here at the bottom, and that way hopefully you can turn a profit yourself as well. Okay, so that's how to do it. It's actually very simple. All you have to do, again, social, select the person, and then you can go ahead and start trading. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.